Kawai niki school kaba khampau hakari India kaba tip kerteng kumka the Pestle Weed School Dehradun kaba don hapoka Uttarakhand haka apulai tarik mentau benai leber arajar apoi kawan ci Shillong man kod application ki kena puli na kaba mentau snem arajar apoi mat arajar apo ari ki nuki kena ke Jylla Meghalaya ki ba kwa ban puli haka nika school kaba deru dekat CBSE school. Habekram kilat thai khubor principal jongan nika school Dr. Prem Kashyap ulayatho kanika school kala pau bakari India borok away nolo ka jing puli ka ai lat wi ki khna puli ban pendai jingmot haki jingyale kai ba pher da ka ba jing hi kai bat pen tebet iki kadika residential school bat ko judon ru ka jingya kendo ki khna jongan nika school bat ki khna na ki pat kiri India ki ba yarap ki khna ban ya sam jing nang jing tep mar kaliang kinong penya jongan ka school ke lai wer ki me ki pa jongan ka Jylla ban pha puli ki khon ju ki hagan ka school bat ka jing sio ka ba he do hadu ki ba puli class 12 kalong hendriu lak shi snem ban pen ksan halo ka jing janai ka jing shakri gan ka school hakul yang ka puli puthi bar ka jing ele ka hagan ka sni lai ya kren do na menteri sarkar ka Jylla Meghalaya u ba das khyat la mare wala pandep ka jing puli jong u na ka school
by air, by train and by road also. In Pestle Weed, we have all the facilities of games and sports like football, basketball, table tennis, shooting, skating, boxing, swimming, horse riding, to name the activity. We are sending our children for trekking every year, and every child has to walk 8 kilometers in a month, once in a Sunday. And then the senior children, they go for trekking for 16 to 20 kilometers, and they have to trek in 6 days time, and there's a base camp which is made, and after reaching the base camp, the children, they trek in different areas in Uttarakhand and Himachal also. We are very lucky that we have almost about 160 students from this all 7 states here, and we are very proud that Dikshit Namre, who is the PWD Minister, Government of Meghalaya, he has been the student of the Pestle Weed School. He studied there and passed out class 12th. He was a great sportsman. We have come here to honor our students who have been studying in Pestle Weed School from 92 to 2019 there, and the board has selected him as the president of the Northeast Old Boys Association.
Member of the Minister Council, Government of Meghalaya, and you must have met Dr. Prem Kashyap. He's my principal in Pestle Weed College. Pestle Weed College is a school where I used to study back in 2005 to 2010, if I'm not mistaken. It's in Dehradun, located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and yes, I've had a very good experience there in these 5-6 years when I was there. Learned a lot, obviously, had a great time, yes, and what else to say? It has been a great experience. It has been a great experience, yeah. And I used to be a very active sportsman back in the day, before I gained all this. I'm very happy.
I will not say that all politicians are having 95% marks.
Yes, definitely, yeah. So, yeah. So I'm very happy that Sir is here with us. He has played a very important role in my life, to be honest. Back in days, yes, we have. When you're in school, your teachers, they say that they're your second parents. That is totally, it's 120% true. Personally, I feel, yes, all this, what I have now, I'm dealing with so many things, being a part of the government. Pestle College has played a very important role in that part of my life.